Yo, what's up guys? My name is Vaibhav and today I'll be showing you my comment system application which I built using SlimPhp as a backend, and as a front end I used ReactJs. So let's just go deep dive into it. So this is my website, which is the homepage of the website, right? And again, these are the blocks which are static, and if I want to read this block, I read it, and I can also listen
Innovations
to
and
this block,
expectations, advancements in
right? And after which I can comment if I'm logged in, and I can just comment like Weber here, testing stuff. Alright, once that's done, the comment is posted. As you can see, Weber here, testing stuff. And within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 minutes frame, the user who posted this comment can be able to edit this comment. So this comment is edited by Vaibhav, and again this the comment is updated, and again the user who is responsible for this comment can delete this comment. All right, now again I can do comment, something like that. Again I can edit because this is my comment, and I can edit, right? That's why again I can just keep on commenting down. You can see, okay. I made this to reach to level 5, after which we can't reply to this. So again you can see there is no reply button, neither we can close any replies because there is no other reply to reply. All right, and so if the user wants to delete his comment, he just clicks on this and the reply has been deleted on the back end as well, on the front end as well. This is a timestamp, and the user can vote the comment, as you can see. And that's uh, pretty much it. Okay, so if I logged out, I can able to just see the comments. I won't able to comment as well, reply the comments. I just able to read the comments. So these are the last few things we were doing. This comment is edited by this, and again the reply has been deleted, and also it has one like. Yeah, that's pretty much it to this chat system.